I went to Singapore during the first Chinese New Year. I just listened to a recommendation from a local friend to watch the show in Sentosa. The time is about 30 minutes. There are a lot of crowds. No new show, need to go further. One show has been played for more than 6 years. But it and number 39, a pity that the fountain show is weak. Elder children are very enjoyable to watch. There are more crowds during the New Year, and the tram line is longer when leaving. Wings of Time Sentosa Water Dance Show. Although the performance time is less than 30 minutes. But there are plot arrangements plus blasting effects and a water dance show illuminated by lights. The background is really the perfect show. First come early to choose a place. I traveled to Singapore with my family at home. They have never seen such performances. They were very impressed and appreciated. The staff was very considerate. We said that we were late at the venue. There were a lot of passengers in front of the ticketing station. The staff knew that if I needed to get an on-site ticket, I would do it first for us so that we could catch up and thank the local staff for their assistance. There is no fixed position. You must enter the venue early if you want to be in the front row. There is no cold field for the 20-minute performance. It is definitely worth a look. It and number 39, beautiful and worth seeing the tickets, and it and number 39, cheap. Very easy to redeem. Big push. Big push. Also cheaper than other platforms. Worth it. The water screen projection is beautiful, and the laser light makes a dreamy line, which complements the music to complete the performance. A great show is worth traveling to Sentosa. Be sure to set aside time to watch the absolute value for money. It is wonderful and it is worth it, and there is a firework show. The lighting, sound, and other hardware equipment on the scene are very complete, and it is a performance with plot content. A show for families or friends to watch. Beautiful and amazing show, even it is short. We will come again for the show and recommend it to our friends.